In the digital age, AI chatbots are revolutionizing personal fitness by offering a blend of convenience, affordability, and smart technology. AI chatbots like ChatGPT are being used as cost-effective alternatives to traditional personal trainers, guiding users through workouts and providing nutritional advice. Advanced pose detection technology in some AI-driven apps can analyze user form and provide real-time feedback, bridging the gap between AI and human trainers. Voice interfaces and educational audio content are being integrated into AI fitness apps, enhancing the user experience without interrupting the flow of the workout. Users have reported benefits such as flexible workout schedules and exercise guidance, but some concerns about safety and personalization remain. AI chatbots offer a more affordable fitness solution compared to human trainers, making personalized fitness accessible to a wider audience. Despite the advances in AI, the consensus is that it should complement rather than replace human trainers, as the human element remains crucial in personal fitness. As AI evolves, it will continue to transform the fitness industry. Share your thoughts and experiences on how AI is shaping your fitness journey. Thank you for your time. This is another completely automated AI-generated video brought to you by AI Automation Solutions. Get in contact with AI Automation Solutions to see how AI can help you scale your business and be more efficient. Check the description for more information and free bonuses.